right, I'll get a up the river picture, looking down at all the kayaks. Got the boys.
You need to do it on your own because I don't have to.
How deep is it? Let's put her paddle down.
Oh man. Oh no, it's still on there.
You're just chasing them all, man. Show me.
Sunfish?
Yeah, show this.
Wow. Taking a video, by the way.
Oh.
Nice. Ah! No, no, no.
Yeah. That are
Dangerous way to go in a river?
It's like 100 yards from where you're roasting it.
Oh, look, there's some fishies.
But there's a band called AJR I really like.
Okay.
It's like Adam, John, and something. Ralph. Where it has a little more attachment stuff. So you can have handle both sides. It has a,
Sideways.
toilet over here. We'll see. Hold on. Try.
Jump over, man. Yeah. You can do it.
Oh, there's plenty of room.
Yeah, he's got practice with this.
It's like hilarious, but then so far.
Ooh.
My hand hit the lure.
Did you?
It was a trouble. Like when you charge them, they will complete charging at this time as like a.
Yeah. To be able to put stuff in storage.
Want me to flash you guys? There you go.
Oh yeah.
Good.
Yeah, you did it. Good job. Almost got it.
Saw a really big snake.
Oh, it's right here. You see it?
I hear the natives.
Oh, these little minnows.
YouTube everything and unlist it.
Yeah. Yeah, share the link.
Or you can send me the file and I'll YouTube it and unlist it.
No luck, Vita?
I have caught
Or
This is probably the lowest one we've been through, huh? Me. The other side.
you get under it, then you get stopped. Well, actually. I think we put in it like.
Just don't want to run into him if he's still there.
Also true. and nobody's falling off. Wait, there's a chance. Yeah. There you go, there you go, there you go. Yeah! Nice.